Okay, based on the given information, can you conclude that triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TUV? Explain. Well, we can hopefully explain by identifying a congruence theorem or postulate, but sometimes it's a little bit hard to visualize unless we draw it out. So let's see what we can do here as far as drawing this out. Triangle Q. Not necessarily shaped like that, but I'm going to draw it as such. Okay, forgive the little bit of sloppiness there, but at least we got straight lines. And now we're going to throw in what we know. First we need to mark the letters, so let's see, Q, R, S, let's say, and T, U, V. I know that's driving some of you crazy that those aren't connected. Okay. What do we know? We know that side QR is congruent to side TU. Let's mark that. Oops. We know that QS is congruent to TV. And we know that angle R is congruent to angle U. Okay. Can we conclude that these are congruent? What do we have? We have side, side angle, otherwise known as angle side, side. And as we know, angle side, side is not a congruent statement. So how would you say this? I would say, no, we cannot conclude that the two triangles are congruent. We only know angle side and side, which is not enough to prove congruence. That's it. We can't do it because we don't have enough information. We only have angle side, side, and that's not a congruent statement.